Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In the third part of this tutorial we're going to update the Twitter profile information for our business, and also I'm going to show you how to do your first tweet and how to follow some people. So I'm going to click on edit profile, and then here it allows me to change the name. So I could, if there's a typo in or there's a problem, I can change it here. But it allows me to put in a bio, and there's a limited amount of characters you can put in here. You can add emojis and smiley faces, stuff like that. So in here we're just going to write Mega Deals UK, finding the best product deals for you. So you can make it a bit more wordy than that if you like. The location will be London, and then the website we can just copy this URL and paste it here. Now it's asking me to change the theme color. So when I click on there, really what we want is red color, like the red of this here. So that will be FF0000. The way that these hash codes work, it's a little bit tricky to explain, but the first two letters are red, the second two are green, and then the last two RGB will be blue. So you can mix the colors together, and it runs from 0 all the way up to number 9, and then it goes A, B, C, D, E, and F. So it sounds a bit strange, but that's the way the hex colors work. So experiment with that. If I wanted to add some green into that color, I could do FF, and then it will be a mixture of red and green, which makes yellow. So it's like mixing colors together. So that one will be okay. I'm going to hit enter and select that red, and I'm going to click save changes. So what did that do? It allowed me to add London, England here. It allowed me to add my website address here, and I don't see the bio there. One second. You see it is here though, so I'm not sure why. Let's just try and go back. Let's go to home. Right, here you see it now. This is the little introduction you could say about the business. So we've updated this little information here. So far we've added a background, we've put the logo in, and we set up the whole Twitter profile itself. And the next thing that we want to do is make a tweet. So let's do a tweet. What we'll do is we'll try, and what I'll do actually is I'll go to my image editor. Let's close this. That was the background, this is the logo. And we've got the main logo here, and what we'll do is just give it a white background. Just want to reduce the size of it a little bit. So I'm just making another version with a white background, and what I'm going to do is take that logo. I'm not sure how well this will work, but we'll take the logo and we'll drag and drop it into here. So it's going to save the image as I tweet. So that's how you add an image. You can add up to 4 or 5 images here, different images. But all I really want to say here is just my first tweet. So I just want to say Mega Deals UK launching soon. And then we can use something called hashtags. So the hashtag will be Mega Deals UK, and I'll explain what hashtags are. Basically, you can see some hashtags here. So what hashtags are, and you can add many of them, but basically what they are is a way of categorizing your tweet. So you can create your own hashtag, and if anyone's looking for Mega Deals UK and you put a hashtag in your tweet, when they search for it, there's more of a chance of them finding you than someone else. There's almost like a unique identifier, but sometimes it doesn't need to be unique. It might be a Happy Christmas one, which is pretty generic, or Saturday morning, and these tend to be like popular ones here. They're showing you these are all the popular ones, like Match of the Day, Match Day, or whatever it might be. So let's tweak this and see what it looks like. So here it is. This is the first tweet. Nice one, you know. Here it's showing us on our profile here that we've done our first tweet. It's just got the logo there, so you can click on that and it will enlarge. And all it's saying is mega deals launching soon. And that's it. So that's how you tweet, and you can add more tweets by clicking this button up here. And you just repeat that same process. You don't have to add an image. You know, images are optional. And you can actually do things like opinion polls, or you can add a GIF animation, or you can add a photo, and you can actually upload video here as well. So maybe I'll leave that for another tutorial to explain some of these other options. But for now, you have your branding done, your background done, you've got your Twitter profile, your bio, your location, your website address, all of that information is there. If you want, you can put your phone number in here. If you want people to contact you by phone, you can put a phone number in here, or you could put that in the background graphic here. You can put a phone number there. Also, one last thing to show you, I guess, is we want to start following some people. So here you can see we've got no information about who we're following. So let's go to the search. And when you search, you're searching for people and tweets at the same time. So really what I want to do is search for maybe some brands or businesses. So let's look at something like Argos, yeah? So as I search for Argos, it will give me some options here. Now I can just hit the enter key and it will do a tweet search, and it will search for Argos. But it's going to bring up loads of different things. Some things are related to what I'm looking for, and some things are not. Like American football is not really what I'm looking for, but it's got Argos written in there. Really, this is what I'm looking for. The shop Argos. So here you can see how many followers there are. So Argos is following 2,000 people, but it has 200,000 followers. So that's a good ratio. You want you know, a lot of people following you, and you want to follow only relevant people yourself. So I'll click follow, and we'll do one more. So we'll look at Amazon UK, and we'll click on that. And Amazon's following 24 people, and it's got 1.69 million people following Amazon. So we click follow. So you follow things that you're interested in or that are related to your business. You know, that's kind of the idea here. So when I go back to my profile, you can see I'm following 2 people, and as people start to follow me, it will show how many are following here. I'm going to do a few other tutorials because I don't want to make these tutorials too long, but I think we'll look at lists. We'll look at moments later in another tutorial, and in here you've got notifications. So when people start to like your tweets, so if you click this like button for example and you go to notifications, I don't think it will show anything here because I'm liking it myself, but in here it will show you people that are retweeting your tweets. So people are able to, for example, go to your tweet, and if you've written something they like, or they like the picture or whatever it is, they can actually click this button here and retweet, and you can retweet as well. So you can go and find something that you like and display that message on your Twitter profile. So there's quite a few more advanced things here to look at. But for now, I think this tutorial is good enough, this part. And we'll look at some more advanced features in the next tutorial. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.